everyone! Welcome back to Cebu Elegant Properties YouTube channel. My name is Christine and I am a trusted Cebuana licensed real estate broker. Please do us a favor of hitting the like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell button to be updated whenever we upload new videos. For today, we'll be featuring another contemporary, brand new two-story house located here in TALISAY City, Cebu. And this property has everything on your reach. Name it, schools, groceries, malls, and churches. Everything is just nearby. So join me in this house tour. So this brand new house has a land area of 170 square meters and a floor area of 255 square meters. So it has two gates, one for the pedestrian and the other one is for the cars. This is the foyer of the house, and here the carport can fit at least 2 huge cars. Sorry if this house is not yet fully finished because it's really a brand new one and the construction workers are still there finishing this property. Now welcome to your beautiful home. This property can be yours for only 14 million pesos. This is the foyer, and on my right is where the bedroom in the ground floor is located. And this bedroom can be converted into a guest room or an office area. It already has an AC, and I'm sorry, but we cannot go inside the ensuite toilet and bathroom because they put their construction materials there. In this portion, this is where the living area is located. And here, this is where the dining area is, next to the kitchen. Notice the modern and very classic kitchen. So from the kitchen, we go straight to the service area. And there we have our maid's quarter together with its ensuite toilet and bathroom. Now, if we will just open all the glass doors here in the ground floor, we really don't need an AC because it's really breezy and very cool. Now, before we head to the second floor, where the bedrooms are located, let's check first this portion here. This is the powder room where guests who are coming to your house can use anytime. Here, we can see from the landing area, our view in the front of the house is the clubhouse. And the clubhouse has a pool, a basketball area, and a tennis court. Don't worry guys, this property is secured with 24-hour security, and this is inside a gated subdivision. Now, from the stairs, if we will just open this door, this heads straight to the balcony. This heads straight to the balcony area. So this is a very beautiful area where you can unwind any time of the day. This is a wrap-around balcony which serves as a common balcony for the master bedroom and bedroom number 1. From the balcony, we can see from here the beautiful view of the northern part of Cebu. Now let's head back to the rooms. Here on the second floor, we got you 3 rooms and 2 toilet and bathrooms. This portion here is a shared toilet and bathroom for bedrooms 1 and 2, while the bathroom is already enclosed with a glass enclosure. Now let's check bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 1 and it can fit a double-sized bed. It is fronting the clubhouse. And here we have already the air conditioner and also the built-in closet or the built-in cabinets. Guys, the clubhouse is an extra bonus for this property because if you want to go directly to the pool, then di ba mura na kag na imong kaugalingon nga swimming pools imong balay. Anyway, let's now head straight to bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 2 and it can fit a double-sized bed. And it also has its own built-in cabinet. And also, as what I mentioned earlier, it has an access to the shared balcony. Also, it also has an inverter-type air conditioner. Now, let's check the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom and it also has its own inverter-type air conditioner, also an access to the balcony, and this can fit a queen-sized bed. And now, let's head to the ensuite toilet and bathroom with a built-in cabinet for the master bedroom. It's not yet done, as you can see. Now, the toilet and the bathroom is separated with glass enclosures, and in the middle of them is the sink. Now here in the toilet, in the bathroom area, we can see from here the tennis court and also the clubhouse. On the other hand, in the toilet area, we can see the beautiful view of the city while doing your stuff. Anyway, let's wrap up everything about this property. So this house has a land area of 170 square meters and it has a floor area of 255 square meters. Price is 14 million pesos. So should you wish to book a site tour with us, you can reach us at 0917-7999-429 or send us an email at cebuelegantproperties@gmail.com. We also have our Facebook page, Cebu Elegant Properties. Once again, my name is Christine and I am your trusted Cebuana licensed real estate broker. With Cebu Elegant Properties, we turn your realty dreams into a reality. Happy New Year and God bless.